If you're using iOS, you realize that your contact will not just automatically display once you slot your SIM inside your phone. It doesn't work the same way Android does. But in this video today, I'm going to put you through on how you can view the contacts in your SIM card and also make use of them. Alright, so grab your phone, let's go, let me show you how to do this.
As you can see here, there's no contacts in this particular phone now. But let me show you the best way to import contacts. There's SIM card in this phone, but there's no contact displaying. As you can see here, the contacts are here already, but none of them are displaying here. So what you have to do is just head over to your settings and scroll down. Okay, head over to your setting and scroll down. You find contacts, just tap on contacts and you see this option, the last option here, import SIM contacts. Just tap on import SIM contacts and after a few seconds it will be imported successfully. All right, let's go back and check it now. Here's my phone. You can see it was empty before. Let me tap on it. You can see the contacts are here now. Very much easy, just a single click. All right, if you really got value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, and in my next video I'll be showing you how to delete all these contacts with just a single click.
Now I'm sure you really got value from this video. If you really do, hit the subscribe button and on the notification bell so you miss out on any of our updates, and don't forget to like this particular video because I know you got some values. See you guys in the next video. Bye.